I really can't
But baby,
stay.
it's cold outside.
I've got to go away.
Baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has been
And hoping that you drop
so
in.
very
I'll
nice.
hold your hands, they're just like
My
ice.
mother
Stephen going out to get the mail.
to worry
Beautiful, what's your
and
He hasn't come yet. You'll have to go again later.
pacing the floor.
Listen to that fireplace roll.
So really I'd better scurry.
Beautiful, please don't hurry.
Maybe just a half a drink
Put
more.
some records on while I pour.
Neighbors might think.
Baby, it's bad out there.
Say, what's in this
No cabs to be
drink?
had out there.
I wish I knew
Rise you like
how
starlight
to
now.
break the spell.
I'll take your hat, your hair looks
I
swell.
ought to say no, no, no,
Mind if
sir.
I move in
At
closer?
least I'm gonna say that I tried.
What's the sense in hurting my
I
pride?
really can't stay.
Baby, don't hold on, but it's cold outside.
So what is it you do with a snow day? After sleeping in till 11 a.m.?
But baby, it's cold outside. Baby, it's cold outside.
This welcome has
How
been
lucky that you dropped
so
in.
nice and warm.
Look out the
Now, this is the house after the blizzard of 2011. You
Sister will
can see snow drifts are probably, that one over there is probably as high as 4 foot.
my brother will
The
be there.
road crews came by this morning and cleaned just one strip of the road, so there is the ability to travel. Although,
Oh, your lips look
till the boys get out here and work on the driveway, we aren't going anywhere.
never such.
I think there's probably about 10,
Baby, you're free.
maybe 11 inches of snow.
Say,
I don't think it quite worked out to be as much as what
To your knees
the
out
forecasters said it was going to be when the storm first started.
grand.
I've actually seen a few cars go by this morning too, so some people have shoveled themselves out and are out and moving around. There are drifts that I'm going to have to shovel. They're
There's bound
a
to
good 2 to
be
3 feet deep.
tomorrow.
This is the front of the house. You can see
there.
nice big drift there,
Be plenty.
keeping the front door in.
Call no more.
And on top of all of the snow,
Can't
it's about 15 degrees right now.
Hold on, how about it's cold outside?
Now, here we are at the office for the great blizzard of 2011. He didn't bother to get our parking lot over here.
I really can't
But
Like a path here to get into the front door.
outside.
I don't know if you can tell how big that
go away.
Baby, it's
snow is at the front of the building. It's huge.
Evening has
Big drift.
and hoping that you drop in.
very nice.
I'll hold your hand. They're just
You can see my
like
car parked out there. It's about as close as I could get to the building.
To worry.
beautiful. What's your hurry?
And father will be pacing the floor.
Listen to that fireplace roll.
So really I'd better scurry.
Beautiful, please don't
Well,
hurry.
maybe just a half a drink more.
Put some records on while I pour.
The neighbors might think.
Baby, it's bad out there.
Say, what's in this
No
drink?
cabs to be had out there.
I wish I knew
Rise you like
how
starlight
to
now.
break the spell.